Hi, I'm Derek with Evolution Wheel, and today we're going to go through why tread pattern selection is so important on a truck mounted forklift and the things that you need to consider. Okay, so the first thing you really want to consider when you're looking at tread pattern for a truck mounted forklift tire is tire symmetry. You can either have a symmetrical tire or an asymmetrical tire. This is a symmetrical tire, so basically if you draw a line down the center, it's a mirror image left or right. An asymmetrical tire is going to have a staggered lug tread pattern, and basically what that's going to do as it's driving on an improved surface is cause that tire to go left and right as it's driving, whereas a symmetrical tire is going to be rolling smooth and not have a left and right movement. Why that's important on a machine like this is because of the forks. As you're driving, if you have a tire that's moving left or right, your forks are going to be going left and right as well, and that's going to cause stability issues as you're driving. So with a symmetrical tire, it's going to prevent your forks from moving laterally and from the tire fighting itself as it's on an improved surface. First thing you really want to consider in tread selection for these machines. Okay, so the next thing you really want to consider in a tread pattern for a truck mounted forklift tire is how that tire translates vibrations into the ROPS and the seat for the operator. Because these are three-wheel machines and the rear tire is directly underneath the operator, any vibrations that is coming from that tread pattern is going straight up into the seat for the operator, so operator comfort's an issue. And the other issue is if the tread pattern is causing some kind of vibration, then it's going to be going into your ROPS, which is going to be moving laterally left and right, and it can lead to ROPS failure, which is a safety problem. So again, anti-vibration is what I would be looking for. So something that's symmetrical and something that has a perfect rolling circle so that you're not getting up and down and any kind of vibration that's going to transfer up to the operator or into the ROPS of this machine. Okay, so those are two really key things that you need to think about when you're looking at replacing tires on your truck mounted forklift. I'm Derek with Evolution Wheel. If you have any questions, give us a call. We're always here to help.